Hi Munchkins, I'm Sashkins, this is Mountain Dew, and today we're doing another Japan crate.
More treats for us.
Yeah, lots of treats.
Yes.
And this month is a tropical theme.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a tropical theme. And
this is the book?
Yeah. So there's a girl with pineapples and
yeah, and she's really advertising food. Yeah, so I guess it is a tropical theme.
Yeah.
Cool. This looks like my type of drink.
So we have the Gabunom. Help me.
Pronounce it.
I don't know. Gabunom.
Gabunomi melon cream soda.
Oh, it's a me, and I can't see the eye.
Oh, okay.
I didn't see the eye on the reflection here.
Okay, so it's basically creamy melon soda.
Why is there a cherry?
What cherry?
Cherry.
Oh, maybe it's just
cherry.
You know, to say that this is a dessert drink. So you put a cherry on top.
Let's go.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you for this?
7.
I'm pretty excited.
Smells like cream and plastic. Cream and plastic. It's like a melon ramen with a little bit of cream in it.
Powder cream. We're gonna start with the Mitarashi Dango Caramel Corn. What is this?
It looks like he's eating takoyaki or sushi or something on a stick. It's cute.
We seem to have these like shrimp looking crackers like every month.
No, every other month.
Is it every other month?
Because every other month we also get the star ones.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's true.
So now, and then this month, I guess we get the shrimpy ones.
The shrimpy ones.
Or the larva looking ones.
I have expect this to taste like the ones from 2 months ago.
Oh, the matcha ones?
Yeah. No, the ones before the matcha ones.
Which ones?
We had like these caramel ones. Which I'm surprised we're getting this again.
But you like the caramel macchiato.
I do. Okay. Take a good sniff test. Look, it fits in your nose.
It smells like coffee. Burned coffee. Tastes like caramel. I like it.
I like it. No, you don't. Thank you. Tastes like a caramel Cheeto.
Without the Cheeto part.
Well, the Cheeto, yeah.
We have petite strawberry milk. Sure.
I just made this awful face.
I know, I can see that.
Oh.
It looks like a strawberry candy with milk things inside.
Oh boy.
Here you go. Enjoy.
So it feels like one of those Vicks vitamin candies.
Oh, there you go. You can see inside it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Those Vicks vitamin candies. Here we go. Are you gonna chew on it?
I will in a moment.
It's pretty good.
The strawberry coating's nice.
The
The milk is okay.
It's pretty good.
The milk is not as milky as I thought it would be. Usually they're much more milkier than this, but this one's nice.
Next up we have
thought it was green.
Fufu Kuji. Lucky candy. Omikuji.
It's a giant hard candy. Ooh, it's purple this time. It's your favorite grape flavor.
Is it? It is. For us, this is not very much like.
It's just a hunk. It's just a hard candy.
Yeah.
Gigantic hard candy.
Next up, we have Morris fruit. What is this?
I don't know. Comes with a toothpick and it's like the
mochis.
The mochis we had last month.
Yeah, it comes in a fruit basket.
Yeah, so there's a mochi, kind of. You can see it before they fall in. Oh yeah, that smells like crumb chips.
Okay.
So this is part of the bowl, guys. Part of the bowl. It just tastes like corn.
Stale as hell.
It's been in the box for a month. And here's one of the, what I think is going to be a mochi. Yeah. I did.
Mmm.
Mochi?
Mmm. Yeah. Banana flavor.
I'm gonna get the green one.
You gave me the yellow one on purpose.
Yeah. It was either herb. Mine tastes like a melon.
Mm.
The green ones are melon.
Mm. These are cute though.
Yeah. Very cute. Very mochi.
Mm. Very mochi.
This is very calm flavor. There's not much going on here.
Mm. I like it though. You bought this box for this banana omelette.
A banana no omelette.
Banana's omelette. Omelette's
God.
banana.
Oh god.
Omelette banana.
Oh, you open right here.
Oh, it can't be that bad. They gave you a whole box. They're like, you'll love this.
It's pretty packed, like the other little
Why
guys.
is it called an omelette?
I think I know exactly what it is. It's just gonna be a waffle, like a cake with cream in it. Your favorite.
I'm excited. Oh, it does look like an omelette.
It's the color of an omelette. So it's more yellow than what it looks like right there on the camera. For some reason our camera is doing peach today. Peach colors.
That's weird. I don't get it.
I don't care. Yeah, so there's banana cream right there. And there's, it looks like peach jam or something almost right there. And just like a banana, guys. Full on banana. It's not bad.
This could have been way worse.
It's not as bad as
No.
some of the things we've had.
It's not bad. But it's really rich. I need a coffee.
It's not that rich.
It is rich.
It's not too cakey.
Mikan gummy.
Gummies?
Yeah?
Mikan?
Mikan.
Mikan?
It's a small citrus fruit that are common in Japan.
That looks like a clementine, guys.
I think they're like the small little oranges.
It's like orange gummy. Here you go. Ooh, it stinks like the orange. I like this one.
Me too.
It's a tasty orange gummy.
Mikan gummies.
We have the apple cider gummy.
Look, he's drunk.
Yeah, a little tipsy.
Yeah.
And it looks like a little bottle that's white and green. It's cute.
So bite half of it? Yes, like that. But you gotta take the full.
It's gummier. Oh, it's sour. It's nice and sour. I like that.
So there's not many of these.
Yeah, there's only one. Like always. Next we have is the Mitsu Peach.
Is this a 3-stage candy again?
I'm not sure. No, it looks like there are different candies inside here.
Cool. I want the orange one.
You want the orange one?
Yeah.
I'll take a pink one then. You can enjoy 3 kinds of delicious peaches. Oh. I'm kind of curious about the orange one. Or the yellow one now.
You want to tear the line? There's a line to tear here.
So, it comes in a little pre-packet. It's cute.
Like a lifesaver.
Looks like a little lifesaver.
Mine tastes like fuzzy peaches.
Mine tastes like a calmer fuzzy peach. So next we have
Haichu. Orange flavor.
the Sitoke.
Satoka. But I thought we're sharing to conserve.
To conserve the flavor.
Yes.
And this is the Haichu. It has a white filling in there. Yeah, it does taste like a blood orange. Really well. It's good. Doesn't look like a blood orange though. That's nice. These are really nice. I wonder why they were limited edition.
Next up we have is pineapple fu ramune. Okinawa is known for its traditional fruit, and pineapple is no exception. These are traditional Japanese candy that make a whistle sound when you blow through them. Typically they have a ramune taste, but they are deliciously pineapple flavored.
This is what's in the box, guys. It's a bunny, and then it has a carrot on the other side of the bunny. Can't even see it right there.
Yeah.
We're not children at all. Oh, that's nice. That pineapple flavor hits you real hard right at the beginning.
That's really good.
It's hollow on the inside, so it's just like a shell. But it's really nice.
I like this month a little bit better than the other months because it's more candy than crackers. Sawa Paper peach candy.
Sour paper?
I expect this to just be like fruit by the foot.
Sour paper.
Sour paper.
Sour paper.
It's these sour belts.
It's a sour belt. I'm happy. Oh. It's not sour, guys.
No.
It's not sour at all. After eating that peachy or pineapple lemonade. That's not sour.
Cool. We got sour long grape gum.
Sour long grape gum comes with a dinosaur. Look at him. He's singing to us. So here's the gum.
Yeah.
It looks like a stick that's a little purplish brown. It's weird. That's boring.
This is really special. In absolutely no way.
This does not have a lot of taste. Just like sugar and a little bit of grape. But this flavor is basically gone. I took a bite of like 2 inches bite.
Yeah. Apple corn gum.
Yeah. They were cheap and gave us
Sorry,
one.
apple acorn gum.
It's gonna be.
When you bite into it,
yeah, no.
you'll find the gum surprise.
Better than the grape one.
Yeah.
The grape one's really underwhelming, guys.
This isn't that bad.
Before we get to our DIY, in this special box, we've got a figure.
Ooh, Mimikyu!
It's probably a Mimikyu, but it could be any of these. And look, it's a Mimikyu.
It's a Mimikyu.
Oh my god, it's so adorable too. So it's a really translucent Mimikyu. You can see the light right through it.
It's a gum toy.
Yeah. So this this part is really shiny. The belly has like a golden shine to it. The ears are shiny. The tail is really cute. It's a gummy. It feels gummy. I can squish it a little bit, and nothing happens to it. Or you can put it on your finger. So in each premium we get a DIY, and this month we've got a chocolate dipping thingy.
Yep.
What is it called?
Hora, Dakita, chocolate, banana, do it yourself.
Right.
Bananas.
Oh, I smell it. It's like those banana candies that you buy at like Bulk Barn. Here's one of the banana candies. It smells like the banana thing that I was talking about just a second ago. So we got sprinkles, we've got chocolate sauce.
It's like Dunkaroos but banana.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
At least it's simple this month. I mean, it tastes better than Dunkaroo chocolate, I'll tell you that. It tastes like, it looks like poop in our thing right now though. Just a little bit. Because I don't know if it melted properly or it didn't melt at all. I have no idea what's going on with it. So we got one toothpick. And this is our tray. I'm trying not to tilt it too much, but there you go. So we have chocolate, we have the sprinkles, and we have the bananas. Down the middle, like it's advertised, because they want us to look like that, like we're dipping a banana in this. So here's my chocolate. It looks messy. And then there's my dip.
Bon appetit.
You know what? It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. The chocolate saves it. It's actually pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Surprisingly. That's interesting. I didn't think I would like that.
It's not bad.
The banana flavor isn't pwned till the end.
Okay.
If you like banana cream, the banana cake is better. If you like banana candy but softer, this is better. For sure.
I like this one for sure.
It's a good journey. Very tropical. Very nice. Like it?
I love it. Much
Love
better
it?
than last month. Like I said, last month I found out that too many cakes, too many crackers. But I like the candy aspect of this, and I want more sweets based on sugary candies as opposed to rich.
Fair enough. Yep. So, this was great. And we're done for today. See you next month. Bye.